My name is and welcome to my channel. And today we are going to make an airplane out of 2 scales, rube scale. Okay, so let's start. So do you see these two like this lines? Like this way to put us together like that. Yep, like this. See? Yes, another same like this behind this side. See? Let's see, guys, like this. Okay, and these both should be equal. How to measure like this? Measure my same, so that. And now I'll here's which part we have little bit. That's for the inch of the flight, and this part where this is for special paper and beds, everything. Here are seats and a desk and everything. Not beds, only a seat and a desk. So and pretend there's a jet like that. And 3, 2, 1, fly up. And here's an airplane. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and write a comment below. Thank you.